Hiya. This is the little site that we've just come to in Yeadon that I said was only a stone's throw away from our Tracey's. We're going back there tomorrow. So we just called in there this little CL, 5 spaces, 14 quid a night with an hookup. It's a nice little spot, this. I mean, 10 minutes away from Tracey here. There's your tap, Elson. It's a farm. Warm Lane Farm in Yeadon. This is the farm. And this is Warm Lane, and believe it or not, up that lane to the right, top of that lane you've got a Sainsbury's, turn left there's a pub and turn right and there's a pub, so you're within walking distance of shops and 2 pubs here. A bit of a gem of a site this. I could imagine me and Pat coming here just to be on his own, not far away. Yeah, I like it. Morning. Well, little Jack Horner's back in his corner again, as you can see. I'm back at our Tracey's. Yeah, we stayed last night at Warm Lane Farm CL. Very nice. I can see that place being a bit useful. Don't ask me how, but it's in a decent spot. We've come back now. We're here for a week, and I've done something which I've never done before. Well, next week I've booked a site for a week. I think it was the aftermath of the catastrophe we had. I just thought, I'm not capable of driving this thing round anymore, so I booked that in the aftermath of that. But we'll give it a go and see how we like it or not. It's on a good spot. It's near Pickering, and it's on a bus route, and you can walk into Pickering from the site. We've been before. The wife loves it, so it's it's a good site, hopefully, to be on. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'll update you maybe later on in the week. Not much happens when I'm here, I'm afraid. Okay, if I can think about. See you later then. Bye. Alright, we're just going to go down to local Alfords to get some fiberglass resin to repair my step that I damaged when I went rock climbing, and then we're going to go outdoors to get a gas ring, because we're all having trouble getting gas. So we're going to get a gas ring with some of them small gas containers, just for doing cooking if we run out and we can't get a bottle. And then some shop. Hello. Okay, see you later. Well, this is the little cooker I've got, and it cost £12 from Alfords, and I got 4 gas bottles for £8. So for the price of more or less a bottle of gas, 6 kilogram bottle of gas. Got this cooker and 4 refills. Don't know how long they'll last us yet. I've never used it before, but it's just an experiment to save gas, because the boatyard near where I park my camper when we go back to Tracey's, when it's in storage, sells gas, so I can always get a bottle of gas from them when I get back. But I have trouble getting it. Not always, but sometimes. I mean, I once went to 7 petrol stations before I got a bottle of gas. So in order to try and make the gas last until we get back, because we have to go back every month for tablets for Pat, I can always get a bottle of gas from the boatyard when I get back. So hopefully this system might help us to last. Alright, it's not going to do the heating, but it'll do the cooking. We generally tend to use only 1 ring. We've got the oven here and the grill. We can still use that. It's just see if we can make the gas last longer while we're out. That's the idea. I'll unbox it and have a look at it and test it. I've just tested it and it works a treat, so that's all okay. Yeah, gas canisters fit in here, in there, and they're locked into place down here with that there. So can't go wrong really, I don't think, with it. I think that's good. Okay, we'll see how we go with this.